Hey guys, so I'm going to show you guys how to downgrade your iPhone, which is on iOS 16 beta to iOS 15 public release. So you can see right here I have my iPhone 10, and if I go to settings, general and about, you can see right here this iPhone 10 is running iOS 16 beta. If I go to more info in it, you can see it's running 20A5312J. This is the developer beta 3 re-released version, by the way, and this will work on the public beta and the developer beta. Before I start this video, just to let you know, you need a computer to do this. If not, this won't work. And also, since you're doing this, you pretty much have to erase your entire iPhone. So make sure to do a backup first before you have to do this. So what you need to do is you need to plug your phone in. And go to Finder. Oh, it's on my other monitor right here. So let's go to Finder and hit your phone. If you're on Windows, just open iTunes and click, I think it's on the top right. And if you try to hit restore, it won't work because you need to put your iPhone in recovery mode because iOS 16 isn't out yet. So what you need to do is you need to put your phone in recovery mode. On iPhone 10 and newer, pretty much any iPhone with Face ID or an iPhone without a home button, what you need to do is you need to press the volume up, volume down, and hold the power button. And also make sure your phone is plugged in. And let me just demonstrate it. So volume up, volume down, hold the power button, and it should go, the screen should be blank, and you have to wait. So it's doing it. Once again, your phone needs to be plugged in, otherwise this won't work. So keep holding, and if it showed, yeah, it shows this, and keep holding it again, and it will show like plug your phone in, and there you go. This is what you should get. Once again, let me just tell you guys, you need to make sure you have a backup of your phone before you do this. So if you lost any data, don't blame me because it's your fault because you didn't do any backup. So just do a backup now if you did not yet. And since if you're already right here, I can just show you guys, like, if you want to get out of this thing, so unplug your phone, and we'll stop showing right here. So you can do the same thing again, volume up, volume down, and hold the power button. So just keep holding it and we're back to the normal state. So let me show it to you, and once you saw the Apple logo, just let it go. And you can see my face right here. Hi. And there you go. Just let it go, and yeah, just wait for the lock screen to appear. And there you go. It's up here now. So I'm going to back to the recovery mode, which I'm going to do it again. Alright. So if I show this, you're supposed to get this. So I don't know why it's on other window, but there we go. And hit restore. Restore and update. So if you didn't download the IPSW, which it will automatically get by itself, it should. So since I already have the IPSW, so it's basically extracting right now. Usually the download is like 5 GB to 6 GB, I think. So it depends how fast is your internet though. So yeah, so once you download that, you should see this. And yeah, I'm just gonna wait to extract. So make sure your phone is plugged in again. So yeah, we're just gonna wait. Might as well put my phone here because why not? Alright, so it looks like it's doing now. So this is what you should see. And you can see the progress bar, which looks like it's doing good. So you have to wait. This like roughly takes around like 10 minutes, like 5 to 10 minutes. So yeah, you pretty much have to wait. So it's restoring the iPhone now, and yeah, you're gonna wait. Okay, it's restoring now, and it's verifying. Oh, but when I filmed this video, I just realized iOS 15.6 is out. So for some reason, it doesn't show up here. I don't know why, but if you're doing like a like a restore or anything, it should show like the latest version. So I don't know why it does not show. So and it's like what I saw this on Twitter and it's like 6 minutes ago. So yeah, that's cool. Oh no, wait, is my MacBook fine? Oh no. Looks like it's fine. That's good. Hopefully. I hope. It's done. So basically it will show this iPhone is locked to the owner, so you just keep doing your setup. So I'm just gonna continue the setup. Also make sure you know the password for the Apple ID that you put in, otherwise your phone pretty much screw up. So I'm just gonna put my Wi-Fi. Alright, after put your Wi-Fi and just continue the setup, and it will show like it will take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. Once again, just put in your password and your Apple ID. So yeah, it will show that it's locked. So just put in your Apple ID and password, hit next, it will load. Okay, so once it shows this, you're pretty much good. So hit continue, set up Face ID, which I will do it later, and you can choose like do whatever you want. So basically at this point, so I'm just gonna like skip. And you're done. So I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching. Oh yeah, this iPhone 10 Face ID is broken. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and yeah, okay, bye.